Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Juice Hungry and Thirsty. My name is Olivia Janelle and this is a channel where I share all of my favorite recipes, techniques, and was it worth it reviews. In today's video, I'm going to be trying and tasting canned cocktails. Might be a little bit weird. We're gonna see, is it really worth it? If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Please give this video a like and subscribe. It goes a long way. In my Was It Worth It series, I taste test different recipes, whether it's food or it's beverages, and also new snacks because I'm juice hungry and thirsty. In return, give my rating on a scale of 1 to 10 on letting you know, was it worth it? All of these cocktails will be served in a wine glass. That's my personal preference for tonight. Felt like being bougie, having a cocktail in a wine glass. I don't know. So with all of that said, let's just get right to it. First up is She Can Island Citrus. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners. Yeah, she sounds pretty cool. And must I say, the packaging is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's female owned. Oh, that's awesome. I think we're on to something. She's good. She can. She good. Okay. Cheers. Let's try it. And the first one, that's pretty good. I'm not a rosé girl at all, but that is pretty good. I'm a rosé girl, not a rosé. Different. There is a difference. There is a difference. This is really good. On the can, it says that you can find notes of tropical grapefruit, guava, and golden kiwi, and of course bubbles, because who doesn't love bubbles? With this one, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn good. In my next cocktail, we are trying house wine. Paloma, I'm probably saying it wrong. If I'm saying it wrong, it's okay. So with this house wine, they don't have all of the notes on the actual can, so I'm gonna read it from my phone. So the cocktail is crisp, fruity with a little tart. Flavors of grapefruit and lime that pair with refreshing staycation bliss. It says use this as a base to your favorite punch cocktail. That's interesting. Never would have thought of that, but let's taste it. Cheers. All right, first of all, let it aerate because the smell is not that great, but we'll try it. Okay, I'm gonna have to give this a 6 out of 10. If you do just drink this by itself, I recommend aerating it first, basically just meaning pour it, allow the air to go through like this a little bit, and cheers. Our next canned cocktail, we are trying the Saint Chappelle, like Dave Chappelle. Dave Chappelle is you. Wild Huckleberry Spray. What's the little thickness? Let's try you. This sparkler is a crisp and refreshing with the sweetness of wild huckleberries. Enjoy chilled and pair with adventure. Ooh, pair with an adventure. That's cute. So they did have other flavors. I decided to go with the huckleberry. I guarantee you that they have a blood orange one. That probably would have been better than this one. Huckleberry is pretty good, but this is reminding me of cough syrup. I'm gonna have to give this one a 5 out of 10. But I'm open to trying new flavors. And our last canned cocktail, we are trying the Cantina Sangria, Hecho en Nueve, Mexico. So she's got 10% by volume alcohol. Take it any place. Made with a dash of fresh fruit juice, no artificial flavors. The sweetness level is more on the sweet side. So Cantina Sangria Rojo. Let's try it. I'm feeling like I'm gonna like this one. Hold on one second. Excuse me. That's pretty good. I'm gonna have to give that one 10 out of 10. What would I do differently to this? Fruits, like how a sangria is normally made with specific fruits though. So pineapple, strawberries, and blueberries. I wouldn't add any citrus to it. The pineapple would be amazing and would top it because I feel like they probably already have some kind of citrus in here because I can taste a little bit of it, but it's definitely good. 100%. 10 out of 10. Cheers! This concludes the 3rd episode of Was It Worth It taste test. This is my first thirsty taste test. There will be more thirsty taste tests in the future. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post a video every single week. With all of that said, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something, give this video a like, subscribe, and don't forget to juice be yourself. And as always, I will see you in my next video.